How to fix Redmi Note 13 video recording not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to power off your device and then turn it on back. After that, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And then click on manage apps. Now search here camera. Now here you can see the option force stop. Now click on force stop and then OK. After force stop your camera, then click on storage and clear your camera storage. After clear your camera storage, then go back to your main page of your settings and click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your software updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.